ME Monday morning entertainment. Type in MME if you can hear me. Fantastic. Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, hi. Okay, let's get started. Okay, today the webinar is also broadcast live. Okay, to the rest of the group. Okay, last week I was not here. How was it last week? Okay, I was having my 1 week break. How are you? We are independent already. Okay, good. Okay, fantastic. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. We will same thing. We will do three things. We want to do first thing is the markets. Okay, then we're going to go into the individual stocks, and lastly we going to go through your stocks that you all choose. Okay, yeah. Last week there's one drop, right, and 1 day drop, and then everybody panic. Okay, not good. Okay, guys. Okay, you all need to learn how to manage your risk rather than 1 day drop and then everybody panic. Okay, that is not healthy. Okay, so first thing first, whatever I share with you today is for education purpose. These are not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you agree. Thank you. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first thing first, let's look at the S&P 500. We want to look at what's happening on the weekly charts and also the daily charts of the S&P 500 first. Okay, so how many are new in this webinar? How many are new in this webinar? Type me if you are new. How many have been through such a webinar before? Type not me. Okay, you have been through before. Okay, I think quite a lot. Not your okay, like Wayne, all this Edmund, Agnes, all this Alfred. Okay, hi Alfred. You are regular attendee of this event. Okay, so right now we have like 393 of you. Okay, and public we have about 100 plus. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, but okay, so weekly chart of S&P 500. Okay, what do y'all think is the weekly trend for S&P 500? Up or down? Up, okay, we've been repeating this over and over again. So when the trend is up, don't go and bet that it's down. Okay, like last week, right? 1 day drop. Some people think that market is going to crash. How many of you are like that? 1 day drop, then market is going to crash already. Please don't do that, okay, guys. Okay, if not, you will be like a little sampan in the big ocean. Every time one big wave come and then you just run away. Okay, so learn to write according to your time frame, whether your weekly position for long term, whether your daily position for 3 to 9 months, even weekly swing. Yes, last week should not get out. Only daily swing. Maybe you want to get out last week. Okay, so later we go into the context. Okay, so trend is up. Okay, you can also see from the MAs, the two MAs are sloping up, so it means the trend is still up. Okay, no change for the long-term trend. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so weekly chart, right, doesn't change trend. No, doesn't change trend often. Okay, usually when it's up, it is remain up. Okay, so we have from here all the way up. We are up 40% already, and it is still up. Okay, last week we have this dotted red line, shift it up. So support right now it is at 4161. Everywhere type in 4161. This week for the 4161. Okay. Okay, not only we will give you the market outlook, we also give you lucky number. Okay, anyway, I don't do 4D. Okay, but we have a number, right? Okay, 4161. Okay, so weekly charts up, daily charts, what do you think? Daily chart, what do you think? Is it up or down? Up, guys. Even last week drop, right? Last week got this drop over here. If you see it on the weekly, daily position, you should not exit. Type yes if you understand. Okay, you should not exit, right? Because the trend is still blue color. There's no red candle. Just hang on to the trend. You'll be able to ride the trend upwards. Okay. Similarly, of course, for 3 to 9 months, there are some correction along the way, but last week drop was just a minor pullback. I also mentioned this in the Facebook group. Yes or no? Type yes. If you, I do a very short paragraph, okay. So this is not market crash, okay. Jay is very nice, right? Hey, by the way, how do you like Jay? Type yes if you like Jay. Jay is very good, right? He will type in and he do the chart of the day, and he has been supporting the group also, okay. So yeah, eventually I want to do less, so then Jay do more, okay, because I want to retire already. So okay, so so guys, trend is still up. Don't need to so hang on to your position. Should you go all in? No lah, shouldn't go all in, but manage your trend. Okay, don't go and fight the trend. Don't go and fight the trend. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so it should be about 50% or even 70% invested. Okay, you should still have some cash. Okay, 50% in cash, getting ready for opportunity. Got it? Okay, so type yes if you understand. Okay. So but you should not be selling everything into cash. You should not be shorting the market at this moment. Okay, and you should not also panic, guys. If you all keep panicking, right, and the weekly chart is up, every time it drop, you will be wrong. You remember last time there was one very famous, not very famous, quite famous influencer who say, oh, market is going to crash and things like that. I think it was like when maybe in March or what, you know. So if you short again, wrong. Do you follow what I'm saying? So don't go and fight the trend. The trend is your friend. Yes, if you understand, the trend is your friend. When the trend will end, nobody know. Okay, but if you keep fighting the trend, okay, you will keep getting it wrong. Okay, I think it's beginning of the year. Beginning of the year, this person say, oh, market is going to crash and things like that. So if you keep trading against the market, then you will keep getting it wrong. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so right until it breaks below 4161. Okay, if long term break below 4161, like somewhere here, okay, then you exit. Okay, if not, then just hang on to the trend. Okay. Okay, so yes, so gold and silver is a hedge also. So when market crash, when there's fear, people go into gold and silver also. That's generally what's happening. Okay, so next we go to NASDAQ. Okay, go to NASDAQ market right now. Okay, so you can see new high, guys. Okay, that's S&P is at new high, right? Okay, so right now, what's the trend for NASDAQ? Up, yes or no? It's still up, right, guys? Almost every week I mentioned this. Okay, since here in last year April, we have mentioned that the long-term trend is up. Right now it's up about 60%. It should continue to go up. Okay, so no need to fear. However, you should watch your size. Why is it so? You should watch your size. It's because if you notice that the weekly charts right now at this moment is overbought. Type yes if you can see this. Okay, it's overbought. Okay, so you can see that the market is overbought on the weekly charts. Same thing for S&P 500. S&P 500 on the weekly charts, overbought. Can you see CCI is right now at this moment CCI is overbought. Okay, so when should you look into buying? If let's say you're doing swing, you must look for CCI to be what? CCI to be not plus 100, it should be minus 100. Yes, somewhere around here. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Okay, somewhere around here, that will be a pullback that can give you an opportunity to buy. Okay, like here, CCI below 100, this is a CCI opportunity to buy if you are doing swing. Okay, so if you are doing long term, then you just hang on, nothing much you need to do. If you are doing swing, okay, if you are doing swing on NASDAQ, can you all see the swing setup? Type yes if you can see the swing setup. What month is that when there was a swing setup? What month was that? Or when was that? Previous one. May. Can y'all see here, guys? The CCI when it was low, the price came down. Okay, you mark the high, trigger. Type yes if you agree it's triggered here. And then you do the swing. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Okay, fantastic. So right now, CCI is high or low? CCI is high, right? Right now it's high. So if you're going to trade for the next 1-2 months, you're not going to be a long-term trader. You're not going to be long-term trader. You're going to buy and sell within the next 1-2 months. Right now, is it the time to get in? No lah. Okay, you want to wait for it to pull back again, somewhere like this to get in. However, if you are long-term, then you just hang on. Okay, type good if you understand. Okay, by the way, we are opening up to this public, okay? So public, we have people who are non-SMT graduates, okay? So if you're all SMT graduates are in the Zoom room right now, we have like 500 plus people in the Zoom room. Type in SMT if you recommend SMT to the rest of the public. Okay, for public, if you want to join us as part of this SMT community, you can go and join us at this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. It's a lifelong community. Okay, what I mean by lifelong is we have a 3 or 4 days class, and after a 4 days class, every week we do a webinar. Except last week, okay, last week on leave. Okay, but every week we do a webinar, and that's how we continue to add value to our community. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so for those public, come and join us for the next coming SMT class. Okay, so NASDAQ I finished. Daily charts. What is the daily trend? Up or down? What's the daily charts? Up, yes or no? Up, okay. So even if you one month you should not buy now. But let's say about your 3 to 9 months trend, you should still be holding long position. Yes or no? That yes if you agree. So we have arrow with teeth over here. Okay, arrow with teeth over here. This part, and then it broke 6-month high over here. And then right now it is still high. Okay, so important part about this is you want to again write the trend. That yes if you understand. Okay, so every 2 weeks we open up this to public okay. But I think besides just the webinar, you really need to have a system. You really need to have a community to support you. Yes or no? Okay. Type yes if you agree. The community, the Facebook group is important. That right now there are a lot of people like Jay, people like Bruce, people like who else? Royston. They are always over there to support your. Yes or no? Can you hear me? Sound is okay, right? Okay. Can I? Okay, so this is a community, okay? We're posting up, and yeah, I think there's a lot of support from the group. Yes or no? Okay, see, this is Bruce. Bruce is my batch 2, right? Batch 2 is like more than 12 years ago, okay? And he's still posting 13 hours ago. He's still posting about this, okay? Very long post. Wow, still got mathematics on it, okay? And right now we just done our batch 129, okay? So, okay, so Leo, yes, Leo too, right? Okay, so these are the people who can support all of y'all. And the community is eventually every one of y'all should, when you receive from the community, in the future, you also think of how to give back. Do you follow what I'm saying? That's why we built the community. Do you follow what I'm saying? There was a time when even Bruce, batch 2, right, have challenge. Yes or no? There's time where other people need challenge. Maybe last time was more like me, go support him, go and get him, and make sure that he is doing the right thing and he can be supported. Okay, but along that journey, once he benefit from it, he start to learn how to give back. Type yes if you understand. Oh, so receive and then give back lah. Okay, that's how you how the community grow. Okay, by the way, when people share, right, they also get. Do you follow what I'm saying? When they share their experience, we are a teacher, you also will learn. Does it make sense or not? Okay, that's the reason why I teach also, because when you teach, you learn more yourself also. So when you learn already, don't be selfish. Okay, when you learn already, share with someone else about what you know. Okay, when you share, sometimes they will ask you questions, sometimes they'll ask you difficult question, and if you cannot answer the question, you will find out more, and then that's how you continue to learn. Yes, if you understand. Okay, so let's move on. Next one is Seng Index. Seng Index. So sometimes, guys, I have a bit of repeat, okay, for the benefit of everyone. Okay, so but what is the long-term trend of Hang Seng? Hang Seng change candle. Can you all see here? Blue change to red. So what do you do if you want to? It's sideways. Okay, sideways. Okay, so what do you do right now? Mark the low. Okay, mark the low. If it drop below the low, that will be your exit for long term. Type yes if you understand. Fantastic. Type yes if you understand. Okay, let's not neglect the public. Okay. Okay, public also a lot of SMT graduates. Okay. Okay, so take note of that. Okay, for weekly charts, Hang Seng, the support is 26831. Okay, 26831. That will be the mark low. Okay, that will be a mark low. And then if you do the daily charts, we have this support broken. Right now, this resistance over here. Can you all see the resistance over here? Okay, the resistance over here turns to support over here. Type yes if you can see that. Okay, so resistance turns support. Okay, mark the low. If it drop below the low, then exit for long term. If it doesn't drop below the low, just hang on. Okay, so next, any questions so far? Yeah, Hang Seng is weaker. Okay, Hang Seng is weaker. Type good if you understand. Hang Seng is what trend? Sideways trend. Yes or no? Last 2 weeks ago, we mentioned this is sideways trend. Hang Seng is relatively weaker than the rest. Okay, so next is STI. MA still holding STI since last year, April. Type in STI. If you're still holding STI, type in STI. Okay, if you are still holding STI, How to join your community? Okay, go to this link. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB. You need to attend a class. Okay, after attending the class, then you come and join us as part of our community. Okay, so STI, last year you're still holding fantastic. Continue to hang on. Okay, right now we are in mid. Okay, we are in the mid recovery. Type yes if you understand. We are in mid recovery. Okay, this is last year April, March to April, and then right now we are maybe halfway through lah. Okay, so right now we are here. Okay, mid recovery. Okay, so next, STI, any question? No question, type good, then I can move on. STI currently sideways trend. Okay, if you are long term, you should hang on for your trend. Okay, wait until maybe when it's like 80%. Okay, when it's like 80-90%, then you exit your STI. Okay, so when STI goes to around here, okay, then you can think of exiting if you are those that got in last year. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so next we go to the stock. Okay, let's go to the stock. Any other index you want to take a look? Any other index? Nifty, I always go over share Nifty. Okay, so Nifty as what is the code for Nifty? I always need to ask same thing. Okay, Nifty 50. Okay, here. Nifty is what trend? Weekly trend. Nifty is what trend? Who asked Nifty? Alvin and Sharat. What trend is that? Up, right? Yes or no? Okay, up, okay, uptrend. Support is right now here. Okay, 15446. 15446. There's a support for Nifty, right? Long term is up. Okay, and then daily charts is also up. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so next A50. A50 weekly trend is what? There's an exit, yes or no? Type yes, you can see that. There's an exit over here because last week candlestick turn, 2 weeks ago candlestick turn red. Last week big below low, exit position. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so whatever you got in here, 24%, exit first. Okay, exit first. Next one is Russell. Where is Russell? What's the code for Russell? RUT. Why you look at Russell one so cute one? What's the code? R. Let me see. Russell. RUT don't have eh? IWM. That's the ETF, is it? Okay, let's look at Russell. Russell weekly trend is up. Okay, so weekly trend is up. the uptrend is weakening. Okay, can you see that? The uptrend is weakening. You can see going up, and then this moment at this current price, the TIF dropped to below zero. Okay, last time the TIF was up. So right now, the uptrend over here, has more like going to a sideways. Yes or no? Okay, going to a sideways, and the upward momentum compared to here, this part, right now at this part has slowed down. Okay, but nevertheless, the trend is up. Okay, but yes, if you understand. Okay, so right now at this moment, after this up move, is more like a sideways move. Got it? Resistance will be here at around 233 and 2235, and then support is around 2124. 2124. Okay, so now right now this stuck in this range. Okay. Okay, so let me move on to the rest of the scan results. Okay, so this week we have nothing. Okay, nothing. We have quite a few positions. Okay, so first thing we have Nike. Who has Nike? Type in NKE. Type in NKE if you have Nike. Okay, can you all see this, guys? I shared with this before, right? When a price last 2 weeks ago, when I shared with you all, when a price gap up, okay, above the resistance, good or no good? Good, okay, when it gap up above the resistance is good. This is called a runaway gap. Okay, this is called a runaway gap. So once it gap, then it doesn't close, just run away. Okay, so how many of you have Nike? So little people have quite a lot. Okay, NKE, if you have NKE, just do it. Okay, Nike. I know some of you all ask later, so now can buy or not? Very cute one, right? After we buy already, right? Some people say, then now can buy or not? Every time like that, okay? So like later we talk about DKS, right? We will say, so now can buy or not? Okay. Okay, so next, OVV. Who has OVV? Type in OVV. Okay, OVV, since we bought around here, 28. Our trigger is this one. Yes or no? That yes if you agree. Okay, so it's here. Okay, so what is the trend right now, guys? Up, okay, up. Okay, just hang on to the trade. Okay, hang on to the trade. Nothing much you need to do. Okay, weak hands always get whipped up. Yes or no? Guys, you all do not want to be weak hands. Okay, you want to, of course, when there's sell signal, you must exit. Okay, when there's sell signal, but weak hands meaning to say what? Meaning to say that you buy and then suddenly there is a small win, and you say, oh no, just throw away. Do you follow? That's weak hands. Even there's no signal to exit, there's nothing, but because you listen to what? You listen to news, you listen to Warren Buffett take profit already, market is going to crash, then what do? You just sell weak hands. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, just weak hands. So if there's no signal to sell, just hang on. Just hang on. If weak hands, if you know that you're weak hand, then don't trade. Okay, if you cannot manage the emotion, then don't trade. What can you do? What can you do if you cannot trade? And by the way, there's a solution, right? What do you do when you cannot trade? Don't put in cash. That's not very good. You can go longer term. Do you follow what I'm saying? You can do longer term. You just buy and don't see. Do you follow what I'm saying? I think the second part more important. Not buy, but buy and don't see. Okay, that is important. So you buy already, then you don't see. Okay, then 2 years later you come back and see whether make money or not. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so that is, if you know you are someone who cannot cut loss, you know you are too emotional, you are weak hands, you you every time sell at the wrong price, then what do? Do long term lah, okay? Do long term. Okay, buy and then forget password. And then forget password and delete the email. Okay. So currently this is still up. Okay, nothing much you need to do. Okay. Oh, by the way, it is not wrong. It is not wrong if you cannot trade. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because different people, not everybody is suitable for trading. Okay. I say this. How to say? With respect now. Okay, that not everybody is suitable for trading. But if you come for a course like that and you've discovered that you are too emotional, you cannot follow the system, then what do? Instead of trying to change your character, change your way of trading. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, if you feel that you, because some people, they always try to like, if you are not, traders also same, because we hire traders, right? Some traders cannot do certain things, then don't trade then don't trade okay, then go and do long term, go and invest or what, okay? But don't if you discover yourself cannot, but if you want to like pursue this journey, right? I want to be a trader, I want to trade for life and things like that, then you pursue but you need to have the a point where you decided, hey, can I trade or not trade? If you cannot trade, it is not end of the world. What you should not do is put money in the bank, because put the money in the bank, every year you lose 3 to 5%. $1,000 you lose $30. Okay, confirm one. Okay, so you must learn how to do longer term. Okay, or you can do dollar cost averaging. Like you can set up a dollar cost averaging account with Philip, Philip Capital, and then just regularly buy. Okay. But myself, I also have a dollar cost averaging. Right? I buy, I used to buy OCBC. Every month I buy OCBC for years. Okay, I buy OCBC, right? Then after that, I and recently I changed. I think to some call or what. Okay. Okay, so if you lose 3 to 5%, you should still invest. Okay, why? Because 3 to 5% is sure lose one. Okay, so think of yourself as an asset allocator. Do you follow what I'm saying? Think of yourself as asset allocator. Okay, so in asset allocation, right, when you have money, okay, what do? And we mentioned this before, right? When you have money, liquidity is a cost. Do you know what I mean? Not? Liquidity is a cost. Liquidity is a cost to you. Let's say you want 100% full liquidity, you put the money in the bank any time of time, you want to take out the money, then liquidity is a cost to you. But yes, if you understand. Okay? But yes, so if you keep you have 10 years saving in the bank, it will not be good. You confirm lose money. So you need to think of yourself as asset locator, either to ETF, go to bonds or higher interest compared to bank. Okay, so you need to do that. Okay, why? Because over time, every time the word over time, okay, over time the equity market goes up 6 to 9% over long term. Okay, so you look at S&P charts, you look at STI chart, you look at all this chart, over time it goes up. Okay, because of inflation, because because market goes up. Okay. Okay, so next one, ADBE. Adobe. Who has Adobe? Like in my dyslexia is getting more serious. ADBE. Okay, so continue, hang on. Okay, up 5% from here lah. Okay, from 14 June or from here. 14 June, so it should be more. Okay, so about 6%. But yes, if you understand, nowadays must be careful sharp what. Why? Because every time shout what, already the stock go down. So we shout softly. Okay, don't shout so loud. What Oh, sometimes we shout very loud, then the stock go down. Okay, we shout softly, so that not so many people know. Oh, then it will continue to go up. Oh, okay. If you shout too loud, I think the stock will drop. Okay, next one, ET. Who is holding ET? Tiam what? Okay. That in ET, we are holding ET. Okay, so ET haven't go home yet, huh? Still around, yes or no? Oh, ET turn red already. Oh, ET turn red, but haven't break below the low. Okay. I think it's difficult to break low. Why? Why is it difficult to break low? Because the close is here. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. All the close is here. Now you need to break this price to exit. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So when we got in ET 7th of June, well, we're going quite high, 7th of June here, 7th of June. Right now it's down 2.2. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, that yes, if you understand. Okay. Oh, I went straight to ET because now we're going flying to the what? Flying to the space, right? We skip NVIDIA. Okay. Okay, let's not be too excited. Okay, NVDA. Who is holding NVDA? Type in NVDA if you're holding NVDA. 14th of June, we got in. 14th of June is this date. Right now, about 11%. Okay, about 10%. Voila. Okay, shout softly. Okay, continue, hang on to your position. And ride the trend. Okay. Next one, Ford. Who is still riding Ford or exit already? Exited, okay. So one question we have is, Collin, how come when we are here, right, we never take profit, or when we are here, we never take profit? The point, right, when we are here, we don't know it will go to here. Do you follow what I'm saying? So right now we got in, we locked in about 4%. Okay. However, if you you learn from this who J, right? The one R1, R2, R3, yes or no? Okay, if you want to take profit along the way, you all can. Okay, but the challenge is sometimes you all take profit when it goes higher, it can go beyond the resistance. Okay, so if not, then if you want to make it simple, just use the system to get out, you still get a 4% return. Okay, 4% beats your bank 4 years already. Yes or no? If the bank pays 1% a year, 4% you pay 4 years. Okay, next one. DKS. How many still holding DIG? Like in DKS. Oh, still holding DIG. Okay, try and DKS. Or try and DIG also can. Okay, so DIGS is still what? Still strong. Okay, DIG is still strong. Yes or no? Okay, this is the long haul for DIG. Okay, so from here all the way to here, we are still holding about 30%. Okay, actually, still strong is it's starting to go sideways. Okay, let's see whether it can break this part or not. Okay, let's see whether it can break this, the 102. Okay, why? Because after the uptrend, right? After the uptrend, this is uptrend, yes or no? After the trend, right now is consolidating over here. So if it breaks up, then what kind of pattern is this? If we break up, what kind of pattern is this? Break the 102, what kind of pattern? Ascending triangle, very good. Okay, your teacher got teach you. Okay, ascending triangle, yes or no? So let's see whether you can break 102. Okay, next one is finished already, right? Okay, so The Dow Jones, how many swing trade Dow Jones? DJI. Type in DJI if you swing trade Dow Jones. Weekly swing, weekly swing, okay. Okay, so right now in the middle of the swing, yes or no? Type yes if it's triggered. Type yes if it's triggered. Yes, because CCI low break above the previous candle high triggered. Okay, 1 week, 2 weeks. Yes or no? So now in the middle of the swing, CCI not high yet. So right, okay. Okay. Resistance is around here. Okay, resistance around here. If it breaks up, then it's called what? If it breaks up, then it's called what? If it breaks up of this, what is it called? All-time high. All-time high. Yes, it's called all-time high. What else? If it breaks up, it's also called ascending triangle. So smart, right? Oh yeah, by the way, Terence mentioned, right? I remember to watch the recording, right? The TA level up. Do y'all watch it or not? Type yes if you watch it. Type no if you haven't watched it. Okay, guys, go and watch it, okay? Go to premium members area. And you know the tab, right? Go and look at the TA level up because it's only a 2 week. We put it up only for 2 weeks. Got it? That yes if you understand. Where is it? Here, complete TA level up SMT graduates. Okay, do we have a part 2? Yes, we have a part 2. Okay, part 2 coming soon. You watch first part first. Okay. Okay, right now we have 450 people in the outside. So time to do our advertisement again. Like YouTube like that, right? You watch halfway, then got the YouTube come out, right? So okay, hi, member of graduates, member of the public, come and join us in our SMT community. Okay, but don't put so password. Okay, come and join us in our SMT community. We have our weekly webinar and you can right now sign up at CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay. Type SMT if you recommend SMT to the rest. I only know how to do this one. Okay. I cannot do advertisement. I'm too my English is too bad already. Cannot do as like people do on the YouTube ads, right? They're very good, okay, but I'm not good. I only know how to do if you recommend SMT, type in SMT. Okay, I can edit. I am not good, okay, I don't have to do. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, that's not my strength. My strength is in doing Monday morning entertainment. That's my strength. Okay, do marketing, do the rest. I'm not so good. Okay, I'm not good. Okay, so that's the key. Okay, so let me move on. Okay, Ross. Okay, Ross, how many holding Ross right now? Swing trade, weekly charts. Okay, guys, if you are doing weekly chart, no need to go daily charts. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you are doing weekly charts, don't need to go to daily charts. Okay, why? Because you how to say, you make yourself worry lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Right now, from the swing setup is up about 2%. But if you go to daily charts, sometimes you say, oh, this big drop, how should I sell and things like that. So then you get like the sampan in the ocean, yes or no? So if you don't want to be the sampan, then just look at weekly charts once. Only take a look at it once a week. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Of course, you can also take partial profits. Okay, if your price goes higher, you can take partial profits. Okay, if not, just look at the weekly charts once a week, then just exit accordingly. Okay, I'm in the SMT society. Is there a second SMT society? No lah, there's only one. Okay, there's only one. Oh yeah, just now the black and white candle is twin tower. Hey, I mentioned this twin tower before, right? In 2 webinars ago. Yes or no? But yes, if you remember. Oh, this is also considered. Okay, this is also considered. Okay, so I mentioned this in NASDAQ. Yes or no? What did I say about the twin tower? Okay, not NASDAQ. What chart is that? What chart is that? Dow, is it? No, not Dow, not Dow. Yeah. I forget already. I think is this one. Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, so when you have a black candle down, a long black candle down, and a long black candle down, and a long candle up, what did I say? For the next few weeks, what did I say? It's bullish. Okay, for the next few weeks, it's bullish. Okay, so one candle down and then one candle up. Is which one? I forgot already. Sorry. I think it's here. I think it's here. Okay, so but now Dow Jones also having this. Dow Jones, right? Yes or no? That yes, if you agree. Oh, so I think for those holding Dow Jones swing can hang on. It's not piercing candle. It's not piercing candle. It is twin. Piercing candle is like that. Okay, piercing candle it is like that. Bearish candle, and then bullish candle. Okay, halfway lah. This is called halfway bullish candle. So half bullish candle. This is like this. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, but this one, right? This is not bullish engulfing also. So bullish engulfing is bearish candle and then bullish candle like this. Okay, but this candle over here need not be a small, need not be a long candle. So twin tower, right? The definition is twin tower is a long candle down and then a long candle up. Ayo, positive or negative? Positive lah. Hello. Do you follow what I'm saying? This is piercing pattern. This is bullish engulfing, but this bullish engulfing, this candle need not be a long candle. Okay, this is twin tower. Twin tower is okay. I draw longer. Wait, so long candle down, then long candle up. Okay, so how long compared to the previous candle? So you compare to the previous candle, one candle up, one candle down, one candle down, one candle up, then it's considered bullish. Got it? Okay, wow, so many questions. Twin tower lah. Twin tower. Okay. Twin tower is bullish. I'm not bearish. Bullish. Okay, go and watch the webinar. Okay, go and watch the webinar. Okay, let me move on. Ross. I say bearish is because the Dow Jones, or is it what? Is it the Dow Jones run up overboard? Okay, Ross, let's talk about Ross. Okay, same thing, triggered, right? Who is holding Ross? Type ROST. Nobody trade Ross. ROST, anybody typing got Ross? Okay, so now it's up about 2%. You can take partial profit if you are holding it. Okay, and look at weekly charts. Okay, AG, we have it long time ago. There was a previous swing. Can you all see this previous swing? Type yes, you can see. This was the previous swing. Type yes, you can see. This was the time when we thought about this. There was a swing up. Okay, right now coming down. Price have it triggered. Not triggered, not triggered. Okay, so mark the high to trigger about $16. Type yes if you understand. Okay, if not, long term, any question? Who's still holding space? SPCE. Type in SPCE if you are holding space. Fantastic. Okay. Now you all go to space already. SPCE since last year, November, right? Okay. Now it's up about 100% already. Okay. Next, AG take profit once already. Take progressive profit. Now next setup again. Okay. Next one, anything you want to see? 700. What should we do with this? Long term should exit already lah. Yes or no? Hey, I think we should write down. We never follow up. Right? We should exit. Type yes if you see the exit signal. If you're long term, you look at weekly position, candlestick turn rate, should exit already. We got in last year July. Last year July here. So actually should exit. Can I update my chart? Okay. If you want to do very, very long term, then if you are doing weekly position, 1 to 2 years, right? Weekly position, I think you should exit. Type yes if you agree. Or if you are doing very long term, you should exit already. 1 to 2 years, you should exit. Exit already, then see how. Got it? Exit already, then see how. Okay. Any other stocks? Any other stocks? Ethereum. The cryptocurrency right now, by the way, you all seen this or not? Have you all seen this? Now we got cryptocurrency data over here. Eventually, I want to put some of the cryptocurrency with Trader GPS, so that you all can, at least the basic one, you all can see it. If and die. Okay, never mind. I use this first. Okay, I want to put the trader's GPS inside so that you all can see the arrows and things like that. Still doing, okay? So hang on first. Right now, at least there's a data feed already, which is good. Okay. And months ago, when I talk about if, what did I say months ago? I think in May. If was what trend? Months ago. Sideways. Do you all agree that since then it is sideways? Or 6 months will be sideways. 6 months will be sideways. If you're long term 10 years trend still hold. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so it may consolidate sideways for a while more. Okay, consolidate sideways for a while more. It may even do another leg down, okay, to kick everybody out, which is good. Okay, so if we go down to 1,007 again, it's good. So your time frame, okay, your time frame, if you are less than 6 months, okay, less than 6 months, then you trade the range. Okay, trade the range. What's the range? 1,780. okay, then you sell around 2000. So you trade this range, okay? If you are long term, okay, if you are short term, less than 6 months, then you can trade the range. If you are long term, you can buy now, okay? Type yes if you understand, okay? Okay, so let me move on to your stock, okay? Your stock, what are your stocks that you all look at? Brian, yes, Brian and Jingting. Jingting, you got competitor now. Brian, fastest. Okay, so AG weekly position, AG weekly position. AG weekly, AG, nothing leh. AG weekly position, hold lah. Okay, if it drop below here, then more concern lah. Okay, if it drop below here, then more, but right now still hold. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Okay, still hold, okay. AG still hold, nothing. Snow, actually snow not bad. I saw snow also. Snow actually not bad. It's just that the stock is quite new. Okay, the stock is quite new, but actually not bad. Can you see? Will AG go up long term? My view, yes. Okay, my view, yes. Okay, can you all see? This was the consolidation. Let's draw a box. This is a box. Yes or no? What is the challenge with snow? Who can tell me? Who is the smart student here? What's the challenge with snow? Beside bearish, not obvious, right? Beside bearish, what is the challenge? There are many resistance going up. Wow, Daryl, very good. Do you follow what I'm saying? Who can tell me what is the next resistance after this? Around here, yes or no? Or there will be one more resistance here. When it go up, there will be another one here. There got. So if you want to buy like low, you must understand the stock will not go all the way up. Okay, so it will take time to go up. Got it? Okay, how to see? You look at the rallies. Okay, look at the rallies. Okay. Okay, if not, then any other stocks? Last one. SPC. SPCE, if you want, you can, up to you lah. You want to do what? What's the time frame? What's the time frame for SPC? Nope, nobody answer me. Okay, SPCA, if you are doing position daily, then you can just hang on. Okay, if you're doing position daily, you can just hang on to the exit. Okay, this stock quite volatile one. Okay, quite volatile one. If I'm you, right, guys, and I bought it long time ago, I make 100% already, I will lock in some profit. Got it? I'll lock in some profit. Like today, right? Today market up, right? Today market, they travel to space already, right? They have a saying called buy on rumor, sell on what? Buy on rumor, sell on news. Okay, so once news come out, take a bit of profit. Type yes if you understand. Or you got big profit, right? Lock in some. Okay. Just write the rest. Okay. So if not, okay, let's talk about one thing. I'll talk about the US strength of US dollar. Okay. US short term. What trend? Short term. bullish, yes or no? Can you see that there is a forming this pattern over here? But you look at the weekly charts, okay, weekly charts. This is the weekly charts. Okay, so US dollar, right, is getting more bullish. However, okay, there's one big however, it is meeting resistance. Okay, meeting resistance. Resistance, where's the resistance? Support turn resistance. So this is support, 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 resistance, resistance. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, so support turn resistance. Okay, so right now US dollar, if you are next 1 to 2 months, okay, next 1 to 2 months, I will not be bullish on US dollar. Why? Because it's beating resistance. Okay, so yeah, so that's my view lah. Okay, and US dollar and commodities has a negative correlation. Okay, so in the beginning of the recovery, okay, in the beginning of recovery, let's go to do you remember the last recovery? Type yes if you remember the last recovery. Not the COVID one, not the COVID one, the one before COVID. What was that? We have the global financial crisis, yes or no? We have the global financial crisis. So I don't know whether you can see, US dollar strengthened. When stock market drop, people will go in US dollar or get out US dollar. Question. When market crash, right? Everybody fearful. People will buy US dollar or exit US dollar. They'll buy. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. So you can see, right? When we have the last crisis, can you see? We have the last crisis. This is global financial crisis. Then you can see the strength of the dollar. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Strength of the dollar. In the early part of the recovery, okay, last recovery, right? In the early part of recovery, what happened to US dollar? Let's say we think about long-term cycle, right? Early part of the recovery, what happened to US dollar? US dollar generally go down. Do you follow what I'm saying? As the stock market goes up, this is 10 or 10, 11, 12, even 2 years later, after global financial crisis, 2 years later, US dollar is down. Let's look at the previous one. Prior to global financial crisis, what crisis was that? Prior to SARS. Okay, well, you're very good. History pass. Okay, SARS was in what? 03. Do you follow what I'm saying? So what happened to the US dollar? As the stock market go up, US dollar go down. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So US dollar is like a safe haven. Okay, safe haven. Okay. And then also 90. Well, that one too long ago 97 Anyway, 2000. Okay. Year 2000 we have the September 11. Okay. US dollar also go up. Okay. Okay, if not, then guys, thank you very much. At this moment, US dollar, I will not buy. Okay, I will not buy US dollar at this moment. Next 1 2 years, in fact, I won't buy US dollar. Got it? Next 1 2 years, I will not buy it because we are in the early part of the recovery. In the later part of the recovery, the late stage part of recovery, then sometimes US dollar will go up. Can you see here? After 4 years, almost 5 years later, 4 years later, right? When the economy on its stay, when they start to what? Increase. When they start to increase what? When they start to increase interest rate, then the US dollar will go up. Now they already say, right? I won't increase interest rate until when? You all know the news? 2023 already tell you not going to increase until 2023 so you can wait another 2 years later then buy lah. Okay, okay. That yes, if you understand. Oh, so only part when they start to increase interest rate, then there will be the strength of it. Not don't worry lah. Okay, so I also done one on commodities before, yes or no? Okay, I also done one on commodities, US dollar interest rate before. Okay, if not, then thank you very much, guys. I appreciate everyone for being here. For those that are not in the SMT community, come and join us. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Appreciate everyone for being here. Thank you. Tomorrow is my birthday. We're gonna do something tomorrow. We're gonna do something meaningful tomorrow. We're gonna run a charity event. Okay, we're gonna run a charity event. I will announce it later. Okay. Charity, not charity to me. Okay, charity to other people. Okay, so we're gonna run a charity event to tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow we will run this charity event. We will do a Facebook Live and not Bitcoin giveaway, right? Charity to give others one. Okay, if not, then thank you very much, guys. Appreciate everyone for being here. Thank you, members of public. We appreciate your time. Thanks for spending your time here. And remember to go to CollinSeow.com/SWB and be part of our wonderful community. Thank you very much and good. Okay, enough. Okay, bye. Technical webinar, I will check with the team. Okay, thank you and see you. Bye.